Hi guys, my name is Alex. I'm a product designer. Have you ever heard of product design and you're wondering what product design is? Product design. How do you become a product designer? What is product design? What do you do on a daily, day-to-day basis? Number one, what is product design? Product design is the process of creating products or you are improving on something that is already existing. Basically, your sole aim is to meet the needs of users and to align with the business goal. In this case, probably you're working with a company or a client. So it involves a combination of creativity, product solving, empathy, technical skill to make it functional and aesthetically pleasing. Don't forget, it has to be user friendly. Alright, so as a designer, when you're designing, you have to design with empathy of user in mind. Basically, you have to be user-centric in your mind and thoughts. So the idea is that you want to create a product to the end that you are solving a user, right? So you are using your creativity, you are using your design skill, you are using your empathy. Empathy is a soft skill. It's a skill for a product. When you can feel the pain, you can feel what the users are feeling. So you are trying to solve that problem. Think that even though you are solving a problem for your user, you are also making the business usually centered around users. So basically, if you put users in mind, you are invariably solving. What are the key aspects of product design? Number one, you need to understand user need. Number two, you need ideation and conception development. Number three, you need to be able to do prototyping and testing. Number four, you need to have user experience, and that is the user experience design. Number five, visual designs and branding. To have an idea about all of these things, which in my next video, I'm going to explain one after the other. What is user need, what is prototyping and testing, what is branding, what have you. So basically, just stay tuned and you'll be educated and well informed with the information I'll be putting out there.